Hi there, Christopher Ludwig coming at you from home office here in London under lockdown. I know we're all going through a really tough time here in the face of the coronavirus and the automotive industry facing an unprecedented shutdown. But that's why we think it's more important than ever that we come together, share ideas and solutions on how we can cope and come out of this stronger than ever. So we're going to put on our first webinar updating you on the situation across the global supply chain next Thursday, March 26th. We're going to be joined by Wolfgang Lehmacher, who's the supply chain strategist in Asia, is going to give us some oversight across the sector, including other industries, and some lessons to learn out of Asia. Our automotive analyst, Daniel Harrison, is also going to give you our latest forecast on vehicle demand in the best case, base case, and worst case scenario. I can't promise it makes for happy listening, but it's still going to be really important that we look ahead and plan together. There'll be plenty of time for Q&A, interaction, polls, and for you to share your insights as well. So please register and join us on March 26th, 2 p.m. GMT. Can't wait to see you there. In the meantime, stay healthy, stay sane, and stay socially distant.